Have you ever looked at a Forex chart and wondered, how do people even predict where this market is going? Is it luck? Is it signals? Is it some complicated strategy only pros know about? Well, it's none of that. Predicting the Forex market isn't magic. It's about understanding how the market moves and why it moves that way. Hi, and welcome to the Crowned Traders channel. And in this video, I'll be sharing simple but powerful tips on how you can predict Forex market movement like a smart trader, not a gambler. So stay with me till the end. This might just change the way you trade forever. Point 1. Market structure. First, understand market structure. The Forex market moves in patterns. It forms higher highs and higher lows during an uptrend, and lower highs and lower lows in a downtrend. If you can identify this pattern on your chart, trust me, you're already ahead of 70% of traders. Point 2. Key levels. Next, pay attention to key levels, your support and resistance zones. These are areas where price reacts, where buyers and sellers battle it out. If price is approaching a key level, don't panic. Watch how it reacts before you make your move. Point 3. Market psychology. And then there's market psychology. Most traders lose money because they chase the market, but smart traders wait for price to come to them. Think like the big players. Where are retail traders likely to buy or sell? Where is liquidity resting? That's where the market wants to go. Point 4. Confluence. Finally, don't rely on just one signal. Use confluence. Combine multiple confirmations, market structure, key levels, candlestick patterns, and overall trend direction. When all these align, that's your high probability trade. So now you know, predicting the Forex market is not about guessing. It's about waiting for the market to show you clues. If this video helped you, drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs this knowledge. Remember, trading is not about being right all the time. It's about managing risk, being patient, and staying consistent. See you in my next video. And until then, stay profitable.